With additives in the food that we eat, pesticides on our crops, and pollution around us, many may say we live in a toxic age. And sometimes all the toxic buildup may take into toll on the colon, which negatively affects digestion and our health. Whenever your colon is backed up with toxic content, your body becomes sluggish and struggling to perform its day-to-day tasks. Luckily, the body does an excellent job detoxifying itself frequently. However, some toxins require some help facilitate removal. Helping your system detoxify itself isn't too hard if you think about it. Eating healthy and getting plenty of exercise are two of the most effective strategies to clean colon. In this video, we will try to understand how to clean our colon. Daily, your colon is bombarded with toxins. Most of us start feeling tired, too exhausted to work, and even too tired to cook our own food. This leads to the process of unhealthy meal choices. After cleansing the colon, you will feel an inner and outer renewal. Colon cleansing increases your energy because you will be cleaning the old waste from your colon. By removing toxic substances, your body will continue to work better and you will feel better. After many years of an unhealthy diet, the colon gets lined with a plague-like substance called mucoid plaque. This causes constipation and isn't good for your well-being at all. Colon cleansing not merely helps out in removing the junk out of the intestinal walls, but also allows the waste to pass off more freely. After colon cleansing, the relief is undeniable. Diarrhea is a condition happens due to toxins that may also cause problems for your process of solidifying waste. After the process of cleansing the colon, you can be sure this condition will be immensely reduced, allowing bowel movement to be more solid. So colon cleansing helps you to get rid of diarrhea. It's an acknowledged fact that the average individual carries about 5 to 20 pounds of intestinal waste. The absolute most dramatic and immediate after effect of colon detox is just how much lighter you will be once all of this is cleaned out of your system. Your colon gets quite clogged from years of eating fatty foods, and the only way you can effectively cleanse the accumulated waste is with the help of pure colon detox products. Bad breath could be caused by food which is not properly digested. Bad breath is also an indicator of an imbalanced diet. A diet that comprises processed food and not enough fresh vegetables can increase the chances of bad breath. Along with bloating, weight gain, constipation, gas, skin problems and insomnia, bad breath could be a sign of parasite disease. Colon cleansing will solve the problem of bad breath by removing the core cause of the situation. Any human system that's clogged with toxins can be the cause of sort of healthy problems. An unhealthy system can make your body more vulnerable to cold, flu and other viruses. So choosing a proper colon cleaning will help you to rid of all these problems. As we live in the world full of chemicals and toxins, it becomes impossible for our body to completely filter out these impurities. These toxins end up accumulating in our cells, blood, tissue and organs. For foods that are rich in calcium and have the colon cleansing qualities, you need to choose foods like almonds, sesame seeds, beets, greens, broccoli, spinach and sunflower seeds. Foods rich in magnesium include walnuts, coconuts, spinach, corn, parsley and sunflower seeds. These foods are not only good for detox purpose, but these natural colon cleansing foods also provide other vitamins and nutrients for a healthy lifestyle. But one of the most overlooked and easiest ways to cleanse your colon is the infamous colon cleansing food, which is water. By drinking 6 to 10 glasses of water every day, you are using the universal solvent that will help with constipation and keep toxicity levels from increasing. Colon cleansing with powdered or liquid supplements. You take some supplements used for colon cleansing by mouth, or others you take through the rectum. Either way, the idea is to help the colon to expel its contents. You can find these products on the internet or in healthy food stores, supermarkets or pharmacies. But consult your family doctor before you take any steps to clean your colon. Clean your colon for healthy lifestyle. If you like this video, send this video to your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.